Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to solve the triangles in the form 30, 60, 90 degrees. These triangles will follow our parent triangle accordingly over here. Across the 30, or the short side, short leg, we will say, is just going to be S. So we're going to have our S triangle as our parent. Then we're going to have long leg, which is going to be across the 60. That's going to be S times root 3. Then we're going to have the hypotenuse, and that's going to be equal to 2 times S. So that's all we have to memorize in this type of triangle. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. Number 7. First, recognize what we are told. We are told the 16. Where is the 16? The 16 is the hypotenuse across the 90. So 16 is equal to 2s because 2s is across the 90 here. And you can also see when we write it out in our list formation, we see the hypotenuse is equal to 2s. So we can see, oh, I just need to solve for s, and that breaks the code. So I divide both sides by 2, and I see 16 divided by 2 is 8. So s is 8. That means the short leg across the 30 is equal to 8. Looking at the inside of this triangle, it's obvious that this missing angle is 30 because 30 plus 60 plus 90 is 180. Okay, so across the 30, or the short side, y is equal to 8. Then across the 60, we're going to have our long leg, which is going to be 8 times root 3. And that is it. That's it. Let's keep on going. Number 8. What are we told? We are told across the 30, or the short side. The short side is equal to s. So we set it equal. Oh, cool. So we already know what s is equal to. Well, what's across the 90, or the hypotenuse? 2s. Well, we already know what s is, so we can do 2 times 2, 4. So u is equal to 4. What about v? V is across the 60. So I know it's going to be s times root 3, or 2 root 3. So that will be u and v. Let us keep going. Let me make this a little smaller. Let's push this to the right a little more. And let's move a few of these guys up. So next, what are we told? We are told 8 root 5 is across the 90, or the hypotenuse. We know the hypotenuse, or across the 90, is equal to 2s. So we set it. And I need to solve for s. I divide both sides by 2. S is equal to 4 root 5. And we broke the code. We are good to go. We can easily see x should be equal to s root 3. We know what s is, so 4 root 5 times root 3 is equal to 4 root 15. Then we're going to need to solve for y. Y is across and just equal to 30. So it's just equal to the s we already know, which is 4 root 5. Look how much fun that is. Look at that. So there is x, there is y. Well, let's not box the whole x. Let's make this x again over here, just so it's a little more clear. All right, let's keep going because we have 2 more to do, and we will call it for this video. So again, first process, what are we told? We are told the 60, or the long leg, or across the 60, which is equal to s root 3. I want to find s, so I divide by root 3. 5 is equal to s. Okay, cool. So across the y is across the 30, or the short leg, so y is just equal to s, which is 5. X is the hypotenuse, which is equal to 2s, which is 2 times 5, 10. Done. Beautiful. Oops, not a beautiful box. Let's try it one more time. Cool. Last problem. Let's make these a little smaller just so we have a little more room. Perfect. We can move this C back over. All right, last one. What are we told? We are told across the 60 or the long leg. So 12 is equal to S root 3. What are we solving for? S. Divide both sides by root 3. Make sure you rationalize this by multiplying. So we're going to get 12 root 3. Rationalize it by multiplying top and bottom by root 3. You get 12 root 3 over 3. Simplify that to 4 root 3. So remember, you may never have a square root on the denominator, so you have to rationalize it accordingly. So what do we see after dividing by root 3 is S is equal to 4 root 3. Okay, cool. Well, S is equal to across the 30 or the short leg, which is Y. So Y is 4 root 3. And X is the hypotenuse, or just 2 times S. So 2 times 4 root 3 is 8 root 3. Done. Nice and easy. So that is how you solve triangles that are in the form 30, 60, 90. If you have any other questions or specific ones you would like me to do, please just leave me a comment or send me an email, and I will be happy to make you a video. Other than that, I hope everyone has a wonderful day.